In the realm of machine learning and artificial intelligence, there's a new player making waves: prompt engineering. It's a discipline focused on designing effective prompts that guide machine learning models to generate useful and accurate responses. Think of it as the art of asking the right questions to a machine learning model in the right way. The beauty of prompt engineering lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's not about changing the underlying model, but rather about making the most of it by asking the right questions. It's like having a conversation with a wise old sage. The quality of your answers largely depends on the quality of your questions. Every conversation with a machine learning model begins with a prompt. An effective prompt can mean the difference between a useful response and a nonsensical one. That's where prompt engineering comes into play. It's all about crafting that perfect question or set of instructions that triggers the machine learning model to provide the most accurate and useful response. The advantages of prompt engineering are vast and far-reaching. Firstly, it allows for the extraction of maximum value from machine learning models. By asking better questions, we get better responses, which can lead to more accurate predictions and thus better decision-making. Secondly, prompt engineering can save time and computational resources. Rather than training a model from scratch, which can be time-consuming and computationally expensive, prompt engineering uses existing models and extracts value from them through effective prompting. Thirdly, prompt engineering can lead to more understandable and interpretable machine learning models. By crafting effective prompts, we can guide the model to provide responses that are easier for humans to understand and interpret, making the output of machine learning models more accessible to a wider audience. Lastly, prompt engineering can help to uncover new insights. By asking the right questions, we can guide the model to explore areas of the data that it might not have otherwise considered, leading to new discoveries and insights. In essence, prompt engineering is the art of crafting effective prompts that guide machine learning models to generate useful responses. It's a powerful tool that can help to extract maximum value from machine learning models, save time and computational resources, make machine learning more accessible, and uncover new insights. So, to wrap things up, prompt engineering is a discipline focused on designing effective prompts that guide machine learning models to generate accurate responses. It allows for the extraction of maximum value from these models, saves time and computational resources, and can lead to more understandable models and new insights. By asking better questions, we get better responses. That's the essence of prompt engineering.